but there was no phones or cameras allowed. So yeah, it was a little bit sad. I was really excited to video. I love you, Mum.
Where's the fun?
Mum, what were you saying to me? Like that?
Girl.
Sorry. Mum, I tried to, I had it like that, Mum. I had it like that, trying to sneak it on. Because we're the sneakers. Ah. To the factory we go! Alfie! Dad, can we go to the drop zone when we go over there?
If you want.
Yay! Mom, look, they added a maze.
Oh, cool.
Can we do that on the way back?
Yeah, we're going to go to the factory first.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a big black cloud coming over.
Yeah.
I hope.
That's grand, that pass, isn't it?
Looking right, it is.
See, I done my research before I came here.
Did you?
Yeah, I knew what to ask for. If you don't ask for them, they don't give them. No. I'm on a site that tells you everything that you can get, like, especially when it comes to these places.
Yes.
So, here, just want you to read it.
Oh, I read it.
That's how I know to ask for it.
It's a great one.
This is probably just going to be
I
upstairs.
got it free, because it would have been an extra, what,
20
€20?
Yeah.
There.
How
Yeah,
much is
fine.
it in? And how much? It's 30 per person, is it, with the pass?
Yeah.
€50 for you, would it? Just without the
Yeah.
pass.
So this is where we're going next. Toy factory. Oh god, that was just in like 4 letters. Dum ba dum ba dum. Ma'am, I'm just gonna have to break through the glass to get in. I'm gonna be like this. Ah! And jump in. Oh, what did I do? Num num num. Next time we come here, can we get pizza?
Yeah.
They're not going on the arm.
Okay, this time.
Really? Because remember in town, that was so nice pizza. I didn't vlog it, but I was going to my summer camp and I got my lunch there, and it was the nicest pizza I ever tried, and it was homemade cookies too, so that's even nicer. Yoo-hoo! I wish there was like a nacho one here. I think I can smell it being made.
This week, last time we were here, you don't see the factory. Now you see it working.
Yeah, I never seen it working.
No, you don't work on Saturdays.
Dad, can we go to the twirly thing?
Yeah.
Yay, twirly, twirly, twirly thing. These are probably like...
There's not people working like that, isn't it?
Man, they actually do hunky-dories.
You know what they're all doing? They're eating packs of potato.
Are they actually?
No, I'm joking.
Oh my god, if they actually did, I would have to buy that job. I would have to have it, Ma'am, I'm sorry. Ma'am, I didn't know this is King and Tayto.
And hunky dories.
Oh yeah, I knew that. Oh no, I actually did. Yeah, I knew it because I seen it. I like went in the years. So let's go!
I don't know.
So are you ready to make yourself hungry? You probably are hungry watching these videos. Ooh. I love this area. Oh my god. Dad, wait for Mum. Okay. I love this one. This is my little house now. I'm bigger than it. Oh, I really want to go in. Dad, can I go in and see?
Wait, your turn.
Okay. Oh my god, it feels so nice. It just feels nice. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Lee, look.
I know. I'm hungry. Tommy, look in here.
Oh Jesus, man.
There's crisps. I know, I'm really hungry now, guys. I'm really hungry. Oh, I want to be Chris. That's not a Chris. I want to be Chris. I'm a Chris. Oh yeah. Guys, look, I'm a Chris. Oh no, it goes upstairs. Man, it's just a green screen. That's cool.
Just wait.
Oh.
Tommy, no.
Look, Tommy. Man, this is unfair. Tommy.
Hey, don't put your back there. Get back there again.
This is so unfair, guys. So unfair. Alfie, look. Daisy, look. Yeah. Dad, do you like Tayto? You wouldn't like that. I like the way they like my lighting bad. They make my lighting bad. Oh. Mom, Dad. Guys, look at that. That's making me hungry. Guys, it's gonna be Tayto. Yay! Guys, I'm Chris. Hey, now we're going. Oh. Mom. Mom, it's raining outside. Mom, it's raining outside. Yeah. Oh, it's cold. Don't worry, Macy, we'll make a sweater. Sorry. Okay, we're just gonna have a look in here. Macy, look. Yeah. I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry, guys.
Oh, lovely.
Guys, I'm really hungry, guys. Oh look! Oh look! Don't touch Chris. I'm starving. Where's the Teddy Crisps? Guys, we're all hungry.
Maisie, wait.
Hey, look.
Maisie.
Oh my god. Guys, this is Dad, I want to jump through the grill glass. Okay guys, see you in a few weeks when I'm at the whole factory.
That's not the part show you made every day.
Oh look, I'm going into Christmas now. We're all crisps. Everybody watching this, we're crisps now. Guys, we're all crisps. Eat yourself now.
Going like that way? Yeah.
It's a movie theater. Oh, Macy, we can't see that. We can't see in there.
Go, Jirina.
Come on, Macy and Alfie, we can't see in there. You couldn't see in there, guys. Now we're going to be a crisp again. Now we're going into patch. Okay. Now we're going to be made into the. Now we're going into the shop. Into the shop. Now we're in the shops. Disco Maisie, let's do a disco. Yay! Maisie, wait for Mum. Mum, it's a disco now, we're in the shop.